Welcome back to my channel. My name is Christina for those of you who are new here. For all my oldies but goodies, welcome back to my channel. If you are not a subscriber, please subscribe to my channel so that I can grow, okay? Because I don't want to be stuck. Nobody wants to be stuck in the same position. We all have to grow, all right? So it's free, so just go ahead and subscribe. And I do realize a lot of my viewers are not my subscribers. So if you're watching my video and you're not subscribed, just go ahead and subscribe. It's free, it doesn't hurt, right? And don't forget to turn on your post notifications. That way, whenever I post a video, you'll be notified so you don't miss out on videos, okay? As you can tell by the title, I'm going to be reviewing the NYX Born to Glow foundation. And it says the Naturally Radiant Foundation. And this is what it looks like. It's Ulta exclusive. Retails for $10. There are 45 shades. This line, buildable medium coverage that lasts all day. Best foundation for a dewy glow. It's vegan and it's cruelty free. So that's really good. The shade that I chose is 15.9 Warm Honey. My face is already primed. As usual, on one side, I'm going to use my brush, and I'm using the Sephora Pro Core Diffuser brush number 94. This is my favorite foundation brush. I love this brush. I have a lot of foundation brushes, but I always use this one. Well, 9 times out of 10, I'm using this one. And then I have my Roll Technique sponge. Let's get started. Super excited. And I'm just going to pump some on the back of my hand. What's that, baby? All right, thank you for the kisses. Wow. Wow, this looks so good. It looks like my skin, but better. Honestly, it looks really good. It's glowy, but it's not too dewy where I look super oily. My skin just looks nice and healthy. And I think that one little layer, got hair on my face. Yeah. I think that one little layer looks really good. So I'm gonna go on to the other side.
There's the other side.
Mm-hmm. All right. It does look good with the side with the sponge too, but it looks like a very light coverage, whereas this one is more like of a light to medium coverage. But honestly, I'm okay with the amount of coverage that I have going on. This foundation looks like would be like a everyday foundation, not a foundation you wear if you want to look like completely beat and you know you can't see any imperfections, because I can still see the imperfections showing through the foundation. So this is something that you'd wear on your everyday basis, you know, like if you want to look like your skin but better foundation. So far so good. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my face off camera. So this is the finished face. I think the foundation looks absolutely beautiful. It looks super natural, kind of like my skin but better, if you will. It's currently 10:49 a.m. So I'm gonna go about my day, wear the foundation. So I'll see you guys at the end of the night with my overall thoughts on the foundation. Okay, so it is currently 2:50 p.m. and as you guys could tell, I'm a bit oily. I'm in the bathroom doing an update. Foundation and everything is wearing really well, but I'm oily, so I'm gonna take a little bit of toilet paper because I'm just a bit too dewy for my liking. I love how healthy my skin looks, but there's a truck going by, but I'm too dewy. So just get rid of just some, not all of it, but some of it. right, I think that looks better. So far so good. Just what I've noticed so far is I'm gonna have to blot a lot with this foundation because it's a pretty cool day, and as you guys saw before I blot, I'm very oily. So I'll see you guys in a few hours with my overall thoughts on the foundation. Currently 5:07 p.m. so it's been quite a few hours since I applied this foundation. Honestly, I am in love with this foundation, to say the least. One thing I will say though, this foundation I probably will only be able to use in the colder months. Now up until I guess maybe like spring. If I use it in the summer, I'm gonna have to use a mattifying primer and use a mattifying powder to set it, because today was actually cold. It was pretty cool in the house and I wasn't doing anything to sweat or anything. I wasn't sweating at all, honestly. And as you guys saw previously, I had to blot my face, and that was what, maybe like 2-3 hours ago, something like that. And I could see some oil. As you can see right here, it's, you know, oily around here. It's not super oily, but it's oily enough. So if you have dry skin, I can already tell this foundation look beautiful on your skin. If you're oily and you live in a place where the climate is extremely hot, just know that you might not like this foundation. But honestly, I love it. I love the way my skin looks. Even though I got oily, the foundation didn't break, it didn't settle, it didn't separate, nothing. Like, I have nothing bad to say about this foundation, like absolutely nothing. It's worth the $10. I'm not even gonna lie, it's worth the $10. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. Please leave me comments down below. Let me know if you tried the foundation, and let me know what foundation review or what video you guys want to see next. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are not a subscriber. Like this video, also share it. That really helps with the growth of my channel. And I will see you guys in my next video.